This is Code.org. Let's see what we have here. Inserting elements in the list. There's been a couple of times when I wish that I could insert a song somewhere in a specific part of our playlist. So I bet we're going to start using this item where we could select a number. Create a new variable, insert button. Create a new variable within the insert button event name. Here we go, insert button. So within this, create a new variable, and it's going to be favorite index, and assign it to a value from the position dropdown. Okay, so it's saying position dropdown because if I hover over this, it will show me the number contained within here. This element is position dropdown. So I have my variable position index. Now I need to assign it. I need to give it a value. I'm going to use UI controls and get text. And then what text do I want to get? Position dropdown. So I'm going to click my little arrow here and select that. Cool. So that will assign it whatever value is here. They are though, so keep in mind 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are inserting this into our favorites list though, lists or arrays in code are indexed at 0. So we don't want to just do, if they use 1, we actually want the index, right? The first item in a list isn't 1, even if you think it's the first item. It is the first item, but for an index, it is index 0. So we're going to do -1. Whatever they pick, say they pick index 1, well, they want it the first place in the list. Well, in code, the first item in a list is actually index 0. So we're just going to subtract 1 from it and make it 0. So on and so forth. Okay, cool. Insert the song displayed at the top of the app into the playlist at the position indicated by the user. Okay, and so we're going to leave this alone for now. Great. So I'm going to do insert item. Great. And then what's our list name? Our list name is our favorites, and we want to make sure to spell that right. We don't need quotes around it because it's the name of our variable, our list. Now the index that we want to insert it at, I have a variable for that. I'm just going to copy and paste it over. Now what item do we actually want to insert? We want to insert the current song being displayed. And if you remember how we are tracking that current song, well, it's way up here. Songs index. That's what's tracking what song is on the screen currently. Whatever our index variable is equal to, and whatever item that is in our song list. So we can do the same down here. I'm going to drag out my list and do songs, and then the word index. Boop. We go over a few. Gonna insert. Great. Insert. And notice it's inserting it at 1 now. What if I do this? Let's insert something at 2. Boom. So that is looking good. Onward.